Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if not and you are new, maybe this is your first time watching, then hello, thank you for being here. My name is Megan and today I'm going to show you guys my weekly cleaning routine.
Every time I try to find a loophole, I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold.
So the first thing I'm going to do is clean out my oven inside and out completely. I'm going to use this Method heavy duty degreaser. I really like this one. I'm just going to spray the top and spray inside, and I'm going to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes while I do a couple other things. So in case you guys couldn't tell, I am very heavy-handed when it comes to cleaning products. I spray everything down multiple times, just over and over, and I have no clue why. So while I let my oven sit for a little bit before I wipe it down, I'm going to go ahead and do my microwave, and I'm just going to be using the same Method heavy duty degreaser in there. Okay, now I am using the, I think it's pronounced Wayman stainless steel wipes. I absolutely love these. I picked these up, I think, from Target, and they work great. You just wipe them down, any stainless steel appliance, with the wipe, and then you go back over them just with the cloth, but I'm gonna go back over just with a paper towel.
You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
Now I'm just going to be using the same stainless steel wipes for my oven, and yes, I do have some Santa slippers on. Don't judge me. I love them so much. I got these from Target, and I also picked up a pair of the little elf slippers they have that have little jingle bells on them. They're so cute. I can't resist. I'm a child.
What you want to, please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you.
So honestly, I truly hate cleaning the kitchen. I hate dishes, things like that. It just grosses me out. But this makes it all worth it. I love wiping the refrigerator with these stainless steel wipes and getting rid of all of the little fingerprints and everything like that. It's so therapeutic and soothing to me.
Out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
On a daily basis, I wipe my counters down with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, which I don't think you're supposed to do on granite, but I don't care, YOLO. But so on a weekly basis, I go through and like sanitize and clean with this daily granite spray, and I really like this one. It actually smells really good.
Mess around for the thrill of it.
So my husband and I eat on this couch a lot. Like after the kids go to bed, we'll have snacks or even sometimes our dinner. And I don't know why, but I am so messy with my food. It just gets everywhere. So most of this is actually my fault. But this is definitely on our must-do list every single week, because if not, it will get so filthy. Like this is only a couple days worth of food. It's embarrassing. I'm so sorry to even share this with you. But yes, this is real life. So I'm gonna go through and vacuum underneath the couch cushions and vacuum all the couch cushions also. I'm sure you guys have not noticed thus far into the video, but I love Christmas, and yes, I'm one of those people that decorates way before Christmas even begins to be a thing on other people's minds. Like the very first day of November, I'm like, let's go. Christmas decoration time. We're actually gonna go get our Christmas tree this weekend, so I might do like a little decorate with me with that if that's something you guys might wanna see. Okay, so you guys have seen our puppy Rosie in several of my other videos. She's still a puppy, so she still sleeps in a kennel at night just because she cannot be trusted to be on her own when we are sleeping. She will ruin our house because she's in that chewing stage. So her kennel, she sleeps with a little toy every night, but her kennel gets filthy. She likes to tear things up, bring things into her kennel when it's time to go to sleep, and she is just a mess. So I know you guys have seen me clean this area up in some of my other videos, and I try to do this every day or every other day, but the deep clean where I like go and mop and everything like that around it and really clean the inside out as well normally happens about once a week. Something else I do weekly is dusting these blinds. I do not have the time to do this every single day. We have a whole bunch of windows in our house, upstairs and downstairs, and I just ain't got the time. So this is on my weekly to-do list. I like to vacuum out these little windowsills right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Up and Up brand glass cleaner just to wipe these windows down. And then in just a second, I'm gonna take my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the peppermint scent and spray and really clean those windowsills around, just because sometimes little bugs get in there, which is absolutely disgusting, but you know, you gotta clean what you gotta clean. It's really hard to see from this angle, but this door is so disgusting on the other side, especially because our dog goes and digs holes in the yard and then puts her paws all over the door, so it just gets so nasty. So this needs to be on my daily cleaning list, but let's be honest, it's definitely not. It's on my weekly cleaning list.
That have faded.
'Tis the season, am I right? Oh, I'm so embarrassing. But this is something that's gonna be probably on my weekly cleaning list. We just put this out and I love it so much, but I don't have time to sit there and dust everything every single day. So weekly cleaning list it is. Now I'm gonna go in our guest bathroom, and I just went ahead and took off the empty toilet paper rolls, and I'm gonna refill that in a second. And now I'm gonna use this little trash bag. It's a lavender scent and it smells so good, which sounds weird because it's a trash bag, but I love it. It smells great. So now I'm just gonna put that in there to kind of get that tidied up. Now I'm going to be using the Up and Up brand glass cleaner again for these mirrors, and then I'm just going to straighten up our little hand towel right there.
As long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes.
I'm using the Clorox wipes to clean this sink. I like to go ahead and do that and clean and sanitize each week, and I'm going to show you a little more in-depth view of how I clean and sanitize the bathrooms when I go upstairs in just a minute to my kids' bathroom. Another thing that really needs to be sanitized in my house each week is all of the remotes and just the main surfaces that my kids touch, because their little hands get so dirty and get all over this stuff. So on a daily basis, like you guys have seen, I will vacuum the high traffic areas like the entryway, the kitchen, and the living room. But once a week, I will go and vacuum all of the lower traffic areas like the bedrooms, upstairs, and the stairs and things like that. So switchblades and handles get touched all the time, every single day, multiple times a day. So I'm just gonna go through once a week and clean and sanitize all of those. I was gonna lie and just say that those are peaches, but no, my son drew butts all over the shower, so boy mom problems, am I right? But I'm just gonna go ahead and get all of that off. So he takes a shower every single night along with my daughter, but I let them draw each night, and then once a week I will just really go through and clean that super well, because those crayon pieces get stuck on the pieces of the shower and it's just such a pain to get off. So once a week I will really go through and use a foaming bath cleaner and also my peppermint multi-surface spray from Mrs. Meyer's.
As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. Every change has
Now I'm going to be using the Method Antibac spray to sanitize their sink.
every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be.
I'm just using a Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, and then this toilet bowl scrubber thing that I got was from IKEA for super cheap. Also, I had no idea my daughter was behind me doing that, so don't judge me. I took it out of her hand as soon as I saw her.
Now, with the whole world at our feet.
Everly gets into absolutely everything, so I have to take her out of the bathroom multiple times while I'm doing this, but I can't just shut the door because then she'll freak out and I want to be able to see her. So I'm just going to have to keep picking her up and taking her out. I love using these Clorox wipes to clean my toilets by hand. Oh, I had some trouble there, but anyway, I like using that instead of the toilet scrubber for around the toilet. I just feel like it gets it cleaner, it's a lot less messy, and I can really get in those nooks and crannies everywhere. Ultimate mom life right here, trying to scrub a nasty toilet and hold your daughter back so she doesn't touch any of it. It is just a mess. And then of course she gets mad at me when I won't let her touch all of the chemical products.
Behind the clouds.
So after I let the Antibac sit for a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. I just totally wiped it off with a towel because I couldn't find a cloth or a rag. And then I flipped the towel over to wipe off the mirror. So again, don't judge, had to do what I had to do here.
Say what's wrong or right. We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start.
And then to finish the bathrooms off, I'm just going to vacuum and then mop right after that.
We could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna
after I was all done cleaning, Everly just wanted to be held, so that's what I am doing here, of course. Anyway, that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this weekly cleaning routine, and be sure to check back if you want to see my monthly cleaning routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.